Our vision at HomeWorks USA is to create a new approach to affordable housing for emerging adults as they leave the nation's foster care system. It all starts at our pilot location in Lawrence, Kansas, where despite challenging weather conditions and a global pandemic, 10 homes now stand tall after withstanding 60-mile-an-hour winds during a recent storm. Framing, roofing, and electrical work are in progress, and we have completed most of the infrastructure needed to support our environmentally friendly community. Next up, construction of a storm safety shelter for our residents, completing general landscaping and a new greenhouse. We know that for our residents, nature helps, nature heals. As you can see, this unspoiled rural setting provides wonderful natural spaces. We are close to closing the book on Phase 1 and moving one big step closer to welcoming our first residents. Our thanks to all who have helped us reach this important milestone. You are creating an exciting and supportive environment where emerging adults can thrive as they take vital steps into their futures.
We would also like to thank Good Energy Solutions for some of the footage you are seeing today, as well as their partnership. Good Energy installed solar panels and is helping power this project in other environmentally friendly ways.
To learn more about HomeWorks USA and how you can help, visit bassexcenter.org or leave us a message at 785-843-2702 and we will return your call. Stay tuned for more in the months ahead.